Okay, guys, I'm sorry I told a little bit of a fib. So I want to talk to you also about meals, something that you can share with your staff. So meals for this particular conference, the attendees will actually pay for their meals while in San Antonio, and then they will get reimbursed for those meals. Now, what we will be doing on the last day, which is on the Friday, we were going to ask everybody who attends to log in to Alvin ISD, and if you know that we can access the intranet while we are away. There's a tab here that says travel reimbursement, or notice this one down here that says meals and mileage. So for travel reimbursement, you're going to log in. It's going to ask you to log in, and it will be the same login you have for your computer. You will come up here, and I'm sorry I already clicked it. You're going to click create a form. Then you'll notice it has today's date. I'm not going to submit this today. It'll have my name. I'm going to put my employee ID number. I'm going to put my campus. And then I'm going to go ahead and put when I left, which of course is going to be in July, my date of return, purpose of activity, Avid Summer Institute, location is going to be the Grand Hyatt in San Antonio, Texas. So here's the part that you're going to need to pay attention to. So this is the employee meal section. If you did not know that, remember, we have a reimbursement per meal. So you're going to put that it's one employee because you're only doing it for you. I know that we're going to be leaving on a Tuesday and coming back on a Friday, but remember, we're not leaving Tuesday morning, and then Avid is providing breakfast one of those days. So we will not count Tuesday or Wednesday. You will count Thursday and you will count Friday. You will count, depending on the departure time, we can count Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let me clarify on Tuesday though, but depending on the time that you're leaving to try to make those pre-conferences, but I'll double check. And then dinner, remember, will be Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. You will not be getting dinner for Friday because you should be home by that time. So if you want them to calculate how much money they're going to get, keep in mind they're going to get this amount, $20 for breakfast. If they spend $50 for breakfast, then that's $30 of their own money that they're spending. Same thing with lunch. You're looking at $60, possibly $45, but I will clarify. They go over that, then they go over that. Dinner is $21 per dinner, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and complete. We are not doing mileage, as I said. You would digitally sign and complete the form, and then we will send it to the person that approves it. But it is important for you to know this when it comes to talking to your attendees about meals. All right, again, I think this is the last video. Let me know if you need anything, guys. All right, bye-bye.